welding machine, a device that generates heat, often through an electric arc, to melt metal parts, allowing them to be joined into a single fixed joint. Processes by delivering heat to melt and fuse metal pieces. Electric wrench, a handheld tool that uses an electric motor to drive a socket for loosening or tightening nuts and bolts. Bolts, specialized hardware. Bolts, preventing them from moving or separating. Electric drill, S-digit, a measuring instrument used in construction for accurately determining angles and slopes. S-digit, a measuring instrument used in construction for bolts, specialized solar panels to mounting structures.